Hello everyone, my name is Joel. I'm going to show you how to remove your side skirts off your E46 BMW. So first there are 10 clips either, they call them rivets but they're more clips. And then another 10 or so clips facing outwards. So before I show you on the car, these are what they are on the underneath. So pretty much these are inside. If you don't have any special tools, there's special clamps that go in here and you pull it out and it can even pull the whole thing out. Just go like this, get a flathead, lift it up, and then get your side cutters, grab from the inside, not enough to break it, just enough that it slides over the top, and just pull it out. Alright, so I've taken all the clips out. Just when I want to do this, you can check at the bottom. As you can see here, it's all free. So what you're going to do, grab a tight grip on the side. One, I'm going to try and move further in after every time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and onto our last one. You just want to support it with your foot or something. And there we are. That is our sill skirt removed. Just want to show you, you can take out these clips after. Just need a clip remover or something to take that out. These just sit on the rail here, so if they come out like this, it's not a problem. So I'll show you how to get these out. I've got an interior trim tool. In reality, it doesn't matter that it's interior. These are only held in sort of like a soft plastic. So just get behind, just start, and you'll get it out nice and smoothly. You don't want to use something metal that's going to break these. You just want to slowly try and pry these out of their hole.